Hey freshmen, this is Mr. Allen. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial and show you how to start your research for your career research essay. So what we want you to do is we want you to take a career profiler survey, which you're going to find in Naviance. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on counseling. You're going to come down here to career exploration. You're going to go ahead and click that. It's going to then say, take me to Naviance. So you're going to go to Naviance. You're going to go ahead and sign in to your Naviance account. And then this is what you're going to see. And you're going to come and click on the Careers tab. And then you're going to come and click on this Career Interest Profiler. Now when I've already done it, and so it shows this. Yours will look like this. So when you come in and do this, your career profiler will look like this. It'll say start profiler. I'm not going to actually click that button because this is going to then start that process for the student, and I don't want to do that. It's going to ask you a bunch of questions. I believe that when I did it, it was like 180 questions, and it's really easy questions. It's questions like, would you like to operate forklifts? And you say, I would like that job, I'm unsure, or I would dislike that job. And my suggestion to you is you want to keep your unsures. You want to limit the amount of unsures that you put in your results. You need to be either I would like that or I would dislike it, because you're going to get better results from taking this survey. When you're all done, it's going to show you, I have 0 for realistic, I have investigative, I have 5, artistic, I have 21, social, I have 5, enterprising, I have 6, conventional 2, and then you can go and click, and it'll show you what careers they are recommending for you. And I think it's interesting that I took it and it's saying I should be an actor or a singer. I don't know if that's really a great career choice for me. Anyway, this is a great place for you to start to take this so that maybe you can find a career that you might be interested in researching, and it gets you a different set of careers that you might be interested in looking at. Then you can, if I want to research this one, I can pull it up and it'll open a window and it'll give me some information to start sifting through. So, good luck.